Today we're going to learn how to do a basic pop-up card. You can do this at any of the studios using any of the paper. What you're going to do is take a paper and fold it in half. Now I'm trying to conserve the paper, so I'm going to actually cut this paper in half as well. Now that I've cut the paper in half, I'm going to fold it in half once again, carefully lining up the edges and pressing down the fold to make a very firm crease. Now we're ready to make the pop-up part. So on the side where the fold is, we're going to cut 2 lines. You can start and just cut those lines, or if you'd like, you can grab a pencil and draw 2 straight lines that are the same height. So it's a little bit like a square on the paper. Once you've drawn it, then you go ahead and cut it. Remember, you can start by cutting or you can draw it. Carefully cut these lines nice and straight. And you can see that this has made little slits in the paper. So fold that little piece up to make a nice crease. Open up the card. And then you need to pop out that little part. This is called a reverse fold. Those folds, you make them go the other direction. And make sure to crease everything down. And there you go, there's a pop-up card. Then you can attach something to it, whatever it might be. It might be a picture you drew, something else you've cut out, and you just glue it on or tape it on or staple it on to that little part that sticks out. So here are some examples I've made. I made this card and decorated the front with flowers, and then it pops open to have a flower on it and a note to somebody I love. You can see I decorated it, and then I glued a white paper to the back so that it looks wonderful. I also did this one where I turned it sideways. The pop-up on the inside is a butterfly, which I drew and decorated, and then I glued that paper to a colored paper on the outside to cover up that hole that I just cut out. So today you might want to experiment with pop-up cards. Have fun!